Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am going to show you how to make a perfect summertime lemon blueberry bundt cake. And you guys, this is super easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. It does require a couple of ingredients, but they're just like simple basic ingredients that you should hopefully already have in your pantry, like flour, sugar, butter, things like that. So it shouldn't be too difficult to make. But I am going to be linking the original video right at this recipe down below, so be sure to check it out. And what I love about it is that you can take this anywhere, rather you're going on a picnic or going like to a brunch or something, whatever you want. And I'm going to show you how to make it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, the things you'll need are 4 eggs, 1 cup of melted butter, 1½ cup of sugar, 2 2/3 cup of flour, ½ cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of blueberries. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now we are going to mix all of our wet ingredients. So we're going to take our eggs, our melted butter, our sugar, our water, and our lemon zest, and we're going to whisk it all up. Okay, as you can see, our wet ingredients look really good. They're nice, well incorporated. So now we are basically just going to set them to the side while we start preparing for our dry ingredients. And with our dry ingredients, we're going to take our flour, our baking powder, and our salt, and whisk it up. Whisk it up, whisk it up. Haha, just kidding. Alright, so we have our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients, and now we're going to add our dry into our wet into about 3 portions. Just divide it up so you can mix it evenly. Okay, our batter is nice and mixed, and now we are going to fold in our blueberries. And you want to be gentle so you don't break up the blueberries and make them all runny and bloody looking. Okay, our batter is all set. Now we're going to start prepping our pan, and I have a beautiful Bundt pan, and you can use whatever pan you want. I'm just using this one, of course. And so I'm just going to take some non-stick cooking spray and just make sure I get all of those crevasses. I'm just using a little silicone brush just to make sure I get everything all nice and coated so that my cake doesn't stick. That would not be good. And so now I'm just going to dump my batter into my pan. Okay, our cake looks really good so far, and now we're just going to pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, I pulled my cake out of the oven. It's nice and cool, and as you can see, it came out perfectly from the pan, so you want to make sure you grease it very well. And you can skip this step, but I am just making it extra pretty and just garnishing it with some powdered sugar. And there you have it, a delicious summertime lemon blueberry bundt cake. And so I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I, as always, enjoyed making it for you. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. Come on, you guys, it'll be so awesome if you subscribe. That means so much to me. And again, I am going to be linking the original video down below, so be sure to check that out as well. And if you have any other requests or anything like that, leave them in the comment section, and I will also be linking all of the ingredients and measurements down below along with my social media, so check it out. But until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.